Good day everyone, morning, afternoon, evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. This is Feedback Alliance on your screen once again. If you are looking for a way to earn online, on this online space and hustle, and you don't have what you are doing currently, this channel is a best suit for you. All you have to do is just click on the subscription button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time new videos are uploaded. So very quickly, I'll just be explaining briefly on the Vmos Cloud phone, right? Vmos Cloud phone. So a lot of persons are using it. It's something that I expect most of us to know already. But for the sake of those of you coming across the channel that are not using it yet, or for the sake of the newbies in the community that have heard about it but don't know how to use it, right, this video is for you, so don't skip any part. So some couple of days ago I was doing my personal researches about cloud phones. That is how I got to discover the Oracle cloud phone. This is another different cloud phone, like it's a totally different cloud phone, right? We have, in fact, we have many types of cloud phone. We have LD, we have Oracle, Oracle, we have Duplus, we have Red Finger. There are a lot of cloud phone. In fact, we have better ones. In fact, we have VS phone self, right? VS phone is different from VS. Let me show you. VS phone is different from vPhones OS. vPhones OS is an Android emulator. Before we proceed, let me just explain something, right? There's difference between Android emulators, cloud phones, and virtual private servers. All right, maybe I'll take out time to specially explain these things well for you guys. Virtual private servers, which is VPS, is different from even RODP setups, right? Now, Android emulators are like the free cloud phone versions, but they are still prey to DNS leakage. That is the problem with Android emulators. They are still prone to DNS leakage due to the fact that if you activate your proxy on your normal phone, it will reflect inside your Android emulator, which even your work profile, if you activate your proxy, like my super proxy, if I turn it on now, right, and I enter my work profile, it's not going to reflect. Like, what I mean by reflects, in case of those of you that don't understand, if you connect to a US IP now, in your work profile it will still be Nigeria. The DNS is kind of strict, but if you are using Android emulators and you connect your super proxy here, the only issues I have is the IP will change inside the virtual machine. But aside that, a virtual machine is like another phone inside this your main phone, right? So it have unique details and features. So that is just that. Another day maybe I use it and explain all these things. But cloud phones are the best because there is no chance of DNS leakage. There's no chance of DNS leakage. So this is why we use cloud phone. So today I'll just be showing you guys about the Vmos Cloud. A lot of you know about it already, but I'll just briefly show you guys how to both register and purchase from it. So you just come to your browser and then Vmos Cloud. Right, when you search for it, you can also download the app as well, but me, I always prefer it on the browser setting. So after searching for it, you just come here, these three dots, you click on it, sorry, those three lines, and then you will see login and register, and then you click on it, login and register, then just a little patience, and then once this loads, you're going to see this interface, login and register. Mine is showing like this because I have already registered an account with my Gmail. Please take note, I've not purchased any cloud phone. I've already registered an account with my Gmail. In fact, I have two accounts here, right? See the first one. So it's not difficult to register at all right? It's nothing hard, right? Let me just explain how you can register, or let me log out as well. Let me just log out. Now, if you want to register, you either input your email that you have not registered before, or you just click on continue with Google. I believe almost all of you should know how to do this part. So whether you have registered or not, the only thing I've noticed so far, I don't know if it's different on some person's end, they will not show you any place you can actually add password, right? If you are a newcomer to Vmos, once you put in your email, they'll send you the mail to the verification code to your Gmail address. After putting in that code here, you just log in. Then later on, if you want to add a password, you can do that one on your own. Like me, I've added the password in my own. Just see. They will show me space of adding password, because I've done that. I think I did that in the last. Okay, see, I think this is my password here. That's my password, right? So see that place. Okay, if you check where, before it took me to this place, there was somewhere that they said set and change password. So that is that. Please, all of us are supposed to know that part. So once you log in like this, the next thing you should check and observe is this. You see this wallet here? This wallet, you can decide to just fund your wallet. All right, you can fund your wallet. Then anytime you want to purchase a cloud phone, you can just okay, after funding, if you want to fund, you are going to see it here. Account balance is still zero. You click on recharge. There are different ways of funding your wallet. All right, we have different payment methods. We have PayPal, Tether, USDT, right? Cryptomos. We have Visa, Mastercard, all of the above. All right, but I don't want to fund my wallet here, because seems like yeah, I don't want to fund it here. But come to think of it, if you fund your wallet, maybe $5 that was showing there now, and you want to purchase a cloud phone, because I'm explaining everything about this Vmos. All right, if you want to purchase a cloud phone now, buy/renew. You come here, see it here. You come here, buy/renew, and when you come here, just hold a little, let it load. When you come here, okay, so this is another place that people miss out. Now, with my little experience, I think the Android versions matters when you are purchasing a cloud phone. If you go and purchase Android 10, your cloud phone might just be lagging for no reason. But aside that, there are many factors that can cause lags when you are purchasing your cloud purchasing your cloud phone, whether Vmos or not. Please take note, there are many factors, right? If your latency is low, latency is the speed of your network, either from your original network or your proxy network. Any one of them that is low, it will make your cloud phone to hang and lag. So please, we have to take note of that. Now, okay, let me just buy this. Go to Android 16. I want to use Android 16. Now, let me also explain this. For better experience on this cloud phone, the best is this 11 models, high-end real machines. Once you come here, you are going to see different devices you can use. You can use Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. You can use Xiaomi 15 Ultra, Xiaomi like Vivo X200 and all, right? But for those of you that don't have much, right, you don't want to put in much in this thing yet, maybe when you start cashing out, you can put in more. Just the way I'm going to purchase my own now, use it and purchase your own. That's what I'll just say. So I'll select standard. I'll leave my own in Android 16. All right, I'll leave it in Android 16. And then now also another thing you should notice is this. The the lower, that's the lower in how will I put it? All right, so I just had to do something so quickly. So as I was saying, I'll go with Android 16, or let me leave it in Android 16. Right, this Android 16 is just a new feature that came out in Vmos. All this while it has been Android 15 that have been the highest. So if you notice, this is on V6 player. Some persons purchase this depending on your pocket. V3 is the most expensive here. This VO3, sorry, I'm sorry for calling it V6. This VO3 is the most expensive. This VO3 is the most expensive, and it's $8.42, right? As you can see, the price is here. 8.24 dollars, right? $8.24. So it's the most expensive when it comes to this standard. The second most expensive is VO4, which is 6.74, but the cheapest is VO8. And funny enough, people still purchase this and they make good results. Let nobody deceive you. You can actually make good results with VO8 at a very cheap price, just $3.74. So I'm going to purchase this. Make sure you select, don't leave this in Hong Kong. Like me, I'll select USA. Right, I'm going to select USA. Even if I know that maybe it's a UK site, I'll select USA. Right, just in case. Now, or let me explain something about this thing. You know, I think in VS Phone, I heard that just by selecting this thing, USA, you may not even need proxy again. Right, you may not even need a USA proxy before you can make good results with it. Right, so I don't know if it's same with Vmos, but always, like, if you want to do USA site, always select this. Right, the only things I don't know, UK is not here. But if my plan is to use the cloud phone for UK, I'll still select the USA, the United States, right? So let's proceed. So this is what I'm going to pay, 3.74. Now take note, I did not fund my cloud wallet. I did not fund my cloud phone. Like, I've not funded it. I showed you guys where you can fund your wallet, but since I did not fund it, I will just pay directly and buy the cloud phone without funding the wallet. All right, so I'm getting only one device parameter. Use existing IP. All right, okay, I'll do this once. I'll set this once, maybe. Yeah, the moment I purchase the cloud phone, so you guys will see. So make sure it's in USA because I want to run USA sites. All right, okay, IP based emulation. See, my balance is showing 0 because I've not found my wallet, but that is not an issue. So I'll click on buy now, and when you click on buy now, you see different options, but the easiest and the one that I use is this Visa. All right, so submit purchase. So you are just going to be as quick as possible. All right, okay, order created successfully. So let's just be patient and see. The order is. So now the next thing, I'm going to pause this video for now and input my card details. Right, it's 4 USDT, 4.8 USDT. This is what I'm going to pay. So I'll pause the video for now, then put in my my card details, then continue from there. All right, so let's hold. So for safety reasons, I had to pause the video, and the moment I put in my card details and pressed submit, continue, this is where it took me to. Now please take notes. This card details I use is my gray card. It's my gray card I used. For those of you that have gray accounts, all right. So I don't know, I did not use my normal Visa card. I had to use my gray card. So let's continue before the time will elapse for this. So I'll just use, okay, let me go with email. So now they'll send the code to my email. All right, this is the card I've used and all. So a code was sent to this. I'll have to just go to my email now and get that code. All right, so make sure that before you proceed with the payments, you have funded your card. So you have funded your account on gray. If it's your normal bank account you are using, make sure that you fund your bank account, right, and let your balance be higher than whatever you want to pay or subscribe to. So that is just it, right? So let's see. I don't know why it's taking time to load. All right, so it just load, and okay, they have sent me the code already. Let's be snappy. 441229 4412. Oh, it seems it's loading. 441229 441229. Oh, seems like I'll have to restart that process. So let me pause the video again. So very quickly again, we are going to do this, and we will have to be snappy about it, right? So it will work this time. We'll have to be very snappy about it. All right. Okay, let's go with email. So they have sent code again. They have sent code again. Now let's see the next one they will send. Very quickly, 091925 091925 091925, and yeah, this is it. With this, I've successfully gotten a VO8 machine, a VO8 cloud phone, right? Succeeded. Once you see something like this, you have gotten your cloud phone. Okay, let me just save this in case of next time. Or no, I won't save this. For safety reasons, don't save it, right? In case some of you don't look at things before you click, some of you go and click auto renewal, right? But me, no, I think I've changed my mind. I'm going to save this so that I can be renewing this my cloud phone, right? If you don't have intentions to renew this, don't save it. But if you have intentions to renew it, you can save it so you can easily be auto renewing. So that's just it, based on the way I've seen it. You understand? So I'll just click on continue. Okay, confirm name. I'll just use my Emmanuel. So I've saved the card. So I've completed this payment, and now I can go and see my cloud phone that I just newly purchased. You can just as well come here and search Vmos Cloud, right? And then very quickly you access it, you log in again, and then you're going to see something like this. So this is my device I just purchased, and now if I've purchased that thing in Hong Kong, probably it would have shown there, right? Sorry, okay, so see my device home. So if I've purchased that thing in Hong Kong, it for sure here, but since it's US I purchased it, it's showing there US. So let the device initialize, finish, let it be done initializing. And another thing you have to know about this cloud phone, I think if you use someone's referral link, you are going to get 2 cloud phone as bonus. Your first purchase, they'll give you 2. This will be your main one, and this will be your bonus. All right, so take note of that. If you are doing your own, just ask someone that is using a Vmos already to send you his link, and make sure it's your first time using that Gmail to register also. So that is just it. Now let's load. I want to show you guys something inside the cloud phone. All right, we have already purchased the cloud phone. We have purchased it already. I just want to show you guys some little things more. So let me just pause the video because of time. All right, so it's done initializing. So it's showing 29 days 23 hours. So we'll soon be done with this video. I just want to explain very briefly how the cloud phone looks like, right? So let's go through it. Remember, this is an Android 16 VO8 purchased at just 4 $4. Yes. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what determines most of the times when your cloud phone hangs. Is because of this. All right. So me, I call it latency, the speed of your network. Once, if this thing that is showing red, it means that the network is bad, oh, right? If it's showing green, this thing that is showing red, if it's showing green, it means that your network is good to go, and most of the times it won't hang. So this is what I mean by latency. This is just it. So like this, my network is currently bad. All right, my network is currently bad. But if it's showing green, it means my network is good to go. And like I said, what can make your network bad is either your normal phone network or your proxy network. But for now, I haven't added any proxy, right? So maybe this is one of the reasons the network is still bad. So that's just it. If like I said, if you don't understand any part of the video, just comment your question, right? Still check on the bio on YouTube. You'll see my number there. You still see the community link, the group link, anyone. So join and ask your question. Anything you don't understand, right? Don't forget to like this video and share. God bless you. Thank you.